Welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is Aditya, and in this video we are going to look at the Vivo S1 Pro smartphone. This phone comes with quad rear cameras, fingerprint scanner which is under the display, and it has a fast charging support as well. So let's get to the unboxing of the Vivo S1 Pro. So here we have with us the Vivo S1 Pro smartphone, and the box over here with us, we've got the 8GB RAM and 128GB variant, and this comes in a dreamy white color. Now let's actually go inside the box and see, but before that you can actually see that the S1 Pro is neatly written over here, and there's a huge S branding also there on the box, and it clearly says 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. So these things are quite essential for buyers because they actually know what are the details of the phone before actually opening the box. Apart from that, at the back of this box you have some details of the phone as well. It says that it has a 48 megapixel AI quad rear camera. So basically you are talking about a quad rear camera setup which is there, which we'll talk about in a while. Apart from that, you have a 32 MP AI selfie camera as well, which again is a single camera unit there on the phone. It has a flash in-display fingerprint. So this is basically an on-screen fingerprint scanner which you can use to unlock the device instead of the physical rear fingerprint sensor that you get otherwise. Apart from that, you have 18-watt fast charging support for the battery as well, which we'll also look at it in a later process. And so that's basically the box over here. So now let's actually deep dive into this box and see what all does Vivo offer us with the S1 Pro. So we've opened the box, and this here is the case, which is quite hefty because it's got a case here. So Vivo S1 Pro actually comes with a transparent case. So now that's a very good addition because what it does is that buyers are more confident using a phone with a case. So that's always an additional thing here, and getting it inside the box is a bonus. So this is the case, and then you have the SIM ejector pin over here with the box, and it comes with a detailed manual which talks about the product specifications and gives you some details as to what all contents are there inside the box. So you have the cell phone, you have the charger, you have the headset, you have the USB cable, so on and so forth. Apart from that, you have the warranty card, you have the quick startup guide to sign up with your phone through Google account, and how to put in the SIM inside using the SIM ejector pin, so on and so forth. So these are all the elements that you get with the package that you have. Then you have this USB cable neatly wrapped inside this case, and you can make sure that you take it out when you're going to use the phone. So that's nicely done because of this, the way the box is designed, what it makes sure is that the space is nicely utilized as well. Now moving on to the main hero of this box basically, which is the phone itself. It's neatly wrapped inside this case, and as you can see, we've got this white variant here, and the phone it feels quite nice in the hand, and it's got a nice modern design which we'll also talk about in a while. Apart from that, what else do we have here? We also have the adapter. So now Vivo is offering S1 Pro with fast charging support, so which means you get 18-watt fast charging, and this is a travel adapter. So what you can basically do is that you can detach the USB cable whenever you want to charge the device, and when you're not doing that, then you can detach it and use it for data transfer as well. So these are the kind of elements that you're looking for on a smartphone these days, and Vivo is giving you that. Apart from this, you have the headphones. Come on, I mean, that's a brilliant deal because it's very rare that you find headphones inside the box these days. So we're really glad that Vivo is doing that with the S1 Pro, and I'm sure you will be as well. So these are white in color, neatly wrapped here as you can see, and definitely worth using whenever you get a chance, and that means you get headphone jack as well. Again, a big bonus. So these are the elements that you get inside the box of the S1 Pro. So the whole package of the Vivo S1 Pro is right in front of you, and what you're getting is a lot of stuff. You're getting this white color earphones inside the box, you have this transparent case which is also inside the box, then you have this travel adapter with 18-watt fast charging also inside the box, and then you have the USB cable as well, the phone definitely, and the other things that you have is quick startup guide, warranty card, and so on and so forth. For more videos, check out hindustantimes.com.